Have you ever wondered how cement, the backbone of our cities and homes, is made? Cement, often overlooked, is the silent hero that holds our world together. It's in the towering skyscrapers that scrape the heavens, in the bridges that span our rivers, and in the humble houses that we call home. Yet despite its ubiquitous presence in our lives, many of us are unaware of the intricate process behind its creation. Creating cement isn't as simple as mixing a few ingredients together. It involves a complex sequence of events that transforms raw materials into the grey powder we're all familiar with. It's a journey that begins in quarries, travels through kilns and grinding mills, and ends in the bag of cement you buy at your local store. This transformative process is as fascinating as it is complicated, so buckle up and prepare to embark on an enlightening adventure. Today we delve into the fascinating journey of how cement is made. The cement production process begins with the extraction of raw materials. The primary ingredients that go into this versatile material are limestone and clay, two elements that are abundant in our Earth's crust. Limestone, often sourced from quarries, is rich in calcium carbonate, a crucial ingredient for cement. On the other hand, clay provides the necessary aluminium and silica. But how do we extract these resources from the earth? It all starts with a method called quarrying. Large machines carve out the earth, extracting limestone and clay from their natural habitats. These extracted materials are then crushed into a fine powder, ready to embark on their journey of transformation. Quarrying might seem like a simple task, but it's a carefully planned and executed process, ensuring the sustainability of our natural resources while meeting the demand for cement. With our raw materials gathered, we're ready to start the transformation process. Next, the raw materials undergo a crushing and mixing process. The first part of this transformation sees the raw materials, limestone, clay, and others, subjected to a powerful crushing process. They are ground down, pulverized, till they become a fine, almost dust-like powder. This powder is so fine, in fact, that it could be mistaken for flour in a bakery. But we're not baking bread here, we're making cement. So once the raw materials have been turned into powder, they're ready for the next step. They are mixed together in precise proportions. This ratio is key to the end product's quality and strength. The result of this blending process is what's known as a raw meal. This raw meal, a blend of finely crushed raw materials, forms the basis of our cement. It's a simple yet crucial step in the process. Having been transformed into a raw meal, our materials are ready for the next stage, heating. The raw meal now enters the heart of the cement production process, the kiln. From here, the journey of transformation continues as we delve into the fascinating world of cement production. Just imagine a mighty dragon, breathing fire and heat. That's what a kiln resembles. This cylindrical furnace, often stretching over 150 meters, is where the raw meal gets a fiery makeover. While the outer shell of the kiln remains relatively cool, inside is a different story. Temperatures soar to over 1400 degrees Celsius, hotter than a stream of molten lava. As the raw meal enters this fiery furnace, it starts to tumble. The heat does not just warm up the material, it instigates a series of complex chemical reactions. The calcium, silicon, aluminum, and iron in the raw meal begin to interact, each element playing its part in this intricate dance of chemistry. As the temperature rises, these elements start to fuse together, forming new compounds. This process, known as calcination, is akin to a caterpillar transforming into a butterfly. It's a metamorphosis of sorts, but instead of wings, our raw meal emerges as something entirely different: clinker. Clinker, the result of this intense heating and chemical reactions, is a grey, pebble-like material. It's the primary ingredient that gives cement its binding properties. Each tiny clinker nugget is a powerhouse of potential, ready to bind together sand, stones, and other aggregates into the sturdy concrete that forms our buildings, bridges, and roads. But don't be fooled by its humble appearance. Clinker is the result of intense scientific processes, a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to manipulate the world around us. It's the heart of cement, the backbone of our urban landscapes. Now, with our clinker formed, it's time to move on to the next stage of the process. It's not quite the final product yet, but we're one significant step closer. The journey of cement production is a testament to our innovative spirit, a testament to our ability to transform the simplest of materials into something extraordinary. With our clinker formed, we're close to the final product, but there's one more step to go. The final step in the production process is grinding. This is where our clinker, the semi-finished product, takes its final form. Imagine a giant, powerful machine churning with relentless force. The clinker is fed into this grinding mill and pulverized into a superfine powder. This powder, ladies and gentlemen, is what we commonly know as cement. But wait, there's more. At this stage, we can introduce additional materials into the mix. Limestone, slag, or gypsum, for instance. These are not just random choices, but strategic additions that give us different types of cement. Each type has its own unique properties and uses. Some cements are designed to set quickly for time-sensitive projects, while others are engineered for enhanced durability. The grinding process is a careful balance of precision and power, a dance between strength and subtlety. And there we have it, from raw materials to the cement we use every day. So that's the complex and fascinating journey of cement production. Let's take a moment to recap. It all begins with the extraction of raw materials from the heart of the earth. These materials are then crushed and mixed into a fine powder, creating what we call raw meal. This meal undergoes a dramatic transformation as it's heated to extreme temperatures, shifting from a simple mix to a substance known as clinker. The clinker is then ground down into the fine powder we recognize as cement. Cement is more than a mere ingredient in construction. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a symbol of our ability to shape the natural world to our needs. It's in the roads we walk, the homes we live in, the buildings we work. It's an integral part of our everyday life, often unnoticed yet indispensable. Next time you see a building, remember the incredible journey that brought the cement to life.